everyone, and to all my shiners out there. So some of you guys have told me that shiners in your country is a slang for a black eye, which I had no idea, but when I say the word shiners, I think of, you know, something shiny, a shiny object, like a shiny trophy or sunshine. So I'm hoping that you guys can take this, you know, look at this on a brighter side and just spin it into something more positive, you know, instead of thinking of it as a black eye. I had no idea, and I really do not want you guys to think of that. So for today's DIY, I was originally going to do a fall home decor type of video since a lot of you guys have been requesting for it, but I didn't receive some of my things on time. So today I'm going to show you how to display your nail polishes in a really cute and simple way. You can actually also display your makeup, like makeup palettes on here as well. So I bought this frame from TJ Maxx. I bought this whole, actually this board from TJ Maxx. I bought things to make my own magnetic frame and board, but I realized that it was actually more costly than just going out and buying one. I actually have a previous DIY where I show you how you can make your own magnetic board by using recycled material. So you can actually apply this method onto this as well. So I saw this idea from Pinterest and I wanted to add my own little spin to it. And so I added some swatches up top as decoration, and also it's very helpful to see all the colors visually in front of you. So yes, let's get started with this DIY, and yeah. Okay, so aside from the magnet board, next you will need some magnets. You can buy packages like this from Home Depot or Lowe's hardware store. They're pretty cheap and not so pricey. Finally, get some glue. I prefer using super glue since it dries up quickly. You can also use E6000, which is a great option, but this could take you a day for it to fully dry. Now, E6000 is a better glue to use because it will hold better onto the magnet, and at the same time it would not damage your bottle down the long run. So to add my little spin to this board, I'm going to make some color swatches within the frame area. Now if you don't have a frame with your board, you can simply take or buy a small little frame, or take a frame that you may have at home and kind of find a little spot where you can glue it onto your board. You can also get really creative and glue magnets onto the frame and then attach it to your magnet board. So here I'm making some color swatches within the framed area. I basically took off the glass that came in with this frame and swapped it with some white paper. As you can see, I took out some nail polishes and I swatched them onto the white paper. Then I just simply took a pen and labeled below each swatch so that way I can identify which color belonged to what bottle. Moving on to the bottles, I like to place the magnet down first and the bottle on top so the glue doesn't drip off. Some of the bottles are oddly shaped, so I like to do it this way. Apply the glue to the magnet first, then place the bottles on top and hold it down for a few seconds. I would recommend giving it a few minutes to set before placing them onto the board. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and to support this channel. Also, I like to know when you guys start to get rid of your old nail polish bottles. I tend to just collect them and just keep them for years and years. So yes, comment below, let me know when you guys usually get rid of yours, and also what you would like to see for next week, because I'm thinking about doing the fall home decor. A lot of you guys asked for some home decor ideas. But if you don't want to see that, I can make something else. Just let me know, and I will talk to you guys next time. Love you. Ciao.